Hey, what is up everybody? Sankap here. I hope you all are fine. So guys, you'll be thinking why I'm talking in English because most of these videos will be my guild members who don't know English properly, no Hindi properly. So because of that, I'm speaking in English. So let's start this video. The video is based on how to keep your name very stylish. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all, you should download an application which is Font Keyboard, which is awesome, guys. So guys, you should not press anything here, nothing, enable Font Keyboards, nothing. What you should do, you should not type nothing also. There will be an option down, go to the cool font organization web app. I will show you with the arrow mark. I think so you could see it. If you press that, select Google Chrome. If you are using MI, you could select the MI browser. So guys, after selecting it, it's loading. The screen is loading. It's loading, guys. So you could see so many types of fonts here. So what you should do, write your name here. My name is Sankap, so I'm writing my name. So it's very nice. So this give your ratings 5, guys. If you're not liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. So guys, this is my name. So you could see I have copied it. So guys, I will tell you a secret to guys. After this, wait a minute, guys. After this, type FF, Free Fire. Don't type Free Fire. You type FF. Okay. So I'm gonna type here FF. Only FF, guys. Again, you should select the first font. First font, copy it. Just copy it, guys. So I will tell a Unicode which I will. So guys, this is the space what you give in your game. So guys, copy this also. Okay, I copied it. So now let's go to the game. Before that, I want to tell you, you will be asking where should I copy this money. So guys, you should nothing you do, download this multi clipboard and copy anything. So as you could see, it's a very nice app. So guys, I could drag easily. So if you copy anything, I think so 10 text, everything will be saved here. So now let's go. It will be, if you slide down also there will be, see, I think you could see here. So guys, there you could copy it and paste it anywhere. So guys, let's open my game now, Free Fire. So guys, I'm opening it. So I will not waste your time, I'll skip the video.
Chegou a
So
hora.
guys, you could
Solta o
see
som.
I opened my game. So this is my lobby. How is the six pack, guys? Tell me. So guys, what you should do, I told you how to create a free name change card. So guys, go to event regional battle season 2, press go to. Guys, it's loading. So guys, wait for a minute. So guys, you should nothing you should do, select India and log in it. So guys, you could see here claim rewards if you plus so many came. So guys, you could see your name change card is also there. So guys, you will be asking how should I get it. So guys, you should nothing you should do, play classic matches. So guys, you could see here every kill 10 points, booyah 150 points, second place 100 points, and third place 50 points. Guys, you should play classic mode. That's it. So guys, let's change your name now, guys. So guys, you could see my name. So guys, now let's copy and paste the name. So guys, now you should use the clipboard. See guys, I'm using the clipboard. Expand to show. There I copied yes, text copied to clipboard. I will paste it. So guys, you could see it's fine. Very nice name. So guys, I will delete small letter S and put big letter. It's awesome. Nice. Now you will be thinking, how should I press the Unicode? So guys, there will be a blank where your Unicode will be there. Paste again, and there will be a space between it, Sankalp and FF. So guys, now I cannot see FF, so I press the clipboard. So guys, I not that, it's not that, I copied another FF. Here it is, I copied it. Now guys, it's final. So guys, I pasted it. OP name, guys, this is the name. How this is the tutorial, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe and like, share and comment. Till then, bye bye, guys.